I've been saying all along I didn't know how the two-wheel drive would perform and if it would suit me, but there you go. You just watched me come up that hill, and that's a pretty steep hill. It did it pretty good when traction control kicked in, so we're going to see what happens. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Angling and Arrows. This is going to be a quick review of the Ford Maverick after 15,000 kilometers and 6 months of driving. This is my only vehicle, so this is not a test drive review. I've used it in real life over those 6 months. It's been winter driving, summer driving, dirt roads in the woods, towing trailers. For those of you here watching the Maverick videos, check out some of our outdoor channel stuff that myself and Devlin do here. And there are a couple of quick shots of the Maverick in those videos, and you might even like the content, so check it out. But I just wanted to mention now that after 15,000 kilometers and the 6 months, I'm really happy with the Ford Maverick. I kind of traded from the F-150 due to the cost of fuel, and the Ford Maverick was a much cheaper vehicle to purchase, so it met my needs. I managed to improvise with space by towing a trailer a little more, but it was no big deal. The ease of driving it around the city, it just made it so much more worth it. And as well, the fuel economy, which is a big question that I get asked a lot, being a hybrid vehicle, and I've never owned one. When I purchased it in some of my original videos, I was getting over 8 liters per 100 kilometers, which wasn't quite what I expected. But as time progressed and the weather warmed up, the fuel economy improved significantly. And now, over the last 2,500 kilometers, give or take, my instrument cluster there is showing 7.2 liters per 100. And the overall fuel economy since I purchased the truck is now 8.2 liters per 100 kilometers. That's over the full 6 months and all the driving. But again, that's significantly improved, so that average is actually improving as well with the warmer weather. Anybody who's thinking about getting the Maverick, I don't think you'll go wrong. The last video I listed, myself and Devlin listed 10 little things that kind of annoyed us with the truck. But you know what, really it was more just for the fun of making the video. I would like to see Ford fix them, but even if they don't, it's not going to stop anyone from purchasing the vehicle. I have nothing really bad to say about it. It is what it is. It's a compact truck. It's very reasonably priced. The only thing that I'd really like to change with the Maverick is I'd like to see the hybrid made in all-wheel drive. That would be huge. The fuel economy would be better than the gas version overall, I would assume. And for my needs, especially in the winter towing, that's my primary concern and primary need for the all-wheel drive. Most other situations, the front-wheel drive gets around very, very well. But due to the fact the hybrid is not all-wheel drive, here comes the big surprise in this video. So everybody, this is the surprise ending to the video that I kind of mentioned earlier on. 5 months ago and 15,000 kilometers, I came in here to order an all-wheel drive Ford Maverick. I was Johnny on the spot and ended up buying a hybrid that day, thanks to Erwin here. At the time, he gave me a price that Avalon Ford said they would honor should I choose to switch up to the all-wheel drive. So I ordered the all-wheel drive, and after 5 months and 15,000 kilometers, I've decided to switch to the new all-wheel drive. Erwin here honored the price, which was fantastic. I have no complaints with the hybrid whatsoever. My only reason for switching is that towing with the front wheel drive in the winter didn't quite meet my needs. Other than that, with the few minor things that I mentioned in the last video that Ford should correct in the Mavericks in general, I have no complaints. Avalon Ford and Erwin here have been nothing but great to deal with. So stay tuned everybody, and I'm going to continue the updates on the Maverick. The all-wheel drive here with the 2-liter EcoBoost FX4 package and tow package as well. I'll continue the updates with that and let you know what I think of it. Thanks everybody for watching, and thanks Erwin. Bye. Cheers everybody.